We are 2 months away from the possible launch of the Galaxy S24, but most of its features have leaked over the past few months. It was also rumored that Samsung will use a titanium alloy frame for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it is increasingly looking like the information is accurate. A new report from South Korea corroborates the presence of a titanium frame in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to Thieleck's new report, the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses the titanium frame for the case. That is the only phone in the Galaxy S24 lineup to feature a titanium frame, and the company could expand the feature to more models in the coming years. While Apple was the first to bring titanium to smartphones, Samsung has been working on titanium frames for 2 years, and the final decision to bring it to the Galaxy S24 Ultra was taken this year. The company is said to be in the late stages of securing the yield rate for the titanium cases. It is working with multiple Chinese suppliers at its Vietnam plant. It is working with Chinese firm Solomon and South Korean firm KH Vatek for those titanium frames. Titanium is stronger than aluminum and lighter than steel, but it is also harder to cut and finish. Hence, the yield rate of titanium is lower and can turn out to be a costly affair. Currently, Samsung uses aluminum frames for its phones, which cost less than $20 each. However, titanium frames can be much more costlier, and that drives up the BOM, bill of materials, and possibly the price of the device. Since Apple switched from stainless steel to titanium for the iPhone 15 Pro series, it could reduce the weight of the devices. However, Samsung has been using aluminum, so switching to titanium will make the phone stronger but not lighter. That is the reason why the Galaxy S24 Ultra's weight was rumored to be extremely similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will also use a flat screen rather than the one with curved edges on its right and left sides. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.